Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x divided by x plus x is equals to 3x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method, and in the first method you see here in the denominator these three values are added by each other. So it means that we need to add the coefficients of these three values. So all of the coefficients have 1, so when you add each other, so you get here 3 times of x is equals to 3 times of x. And further in the next step we need to move this 3x to the right hand side, and it will become here x is equals to, this is 3x is multiplied by 3x. Here we move this 3x to the right hand side, and it will be written as in this form. So we obtain here our x is equals to, this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, and x times x becomes here x square. So further in the next step we move the x from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as, this is 9 times of x squared, this is positive x. When we move it into the left hand side, right hand side, it will becomes negative x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve x, so that we need to take common x from here. When we take common x, we get from here is 9x, minus from here we get 1 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 9x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we easily get the value of x. So we have, this is 9x, this is minus 1. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus 1, and we divide both of the sides by 9. So when we divide by 9, it will becomes 9x divided by 9 equals to 1 divided by 9. So this 9 is cancelled out by this 9, and we will get here our x is equals to 1 over 9. So this is the second value of x which we get here. So we get, these are the two roots of the given equation. And here in the next step we need to verify that is both of these two roots are solution, or both of these two roots are extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x divided by x plus x equals to 3 times of x, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 1 over 9. So here further in the next step we need to just substitute x is equal to 0 on both of the sides of this equation. So when you put it here, it will becomes 0 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 3 times of 0. And here you see that this will becomes 0 over 0 form equals to 3 times of 0 becomes 0. So this means that the left hand side is 0 over 0 form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, so we say that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, this means that x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So here we just call that x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we just say that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now we move towards our second solution, and now we substitute x is equals to 1 over 9 on both of the sides, and it will becomes 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 equals to 3 multiplied by 1 over 9. So here we just write our denominator as 3 times of 1 over 9, and it will becomes here 1 over 9 is divided by 3 times of 1 over 9 is equals to, this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, and we get here 1 over 3. This is also 3 times 3 becomes here 9, and we will obtain here this will becomes in the numerator we have 1 over 9, and in the denominator we have 1 over 3. So when we move it upward, it will becomes here 3 over 1 is equals to 1 over 3. So these two are cancelled out by each other, and we get here, this is 3 times 3 becomes 9, and we get 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over 3. So this means that both of the sides are equal. So it means that the value of x is equal to 9 is satisfied our given question statement. So we just call that the solution set of this question is 1 over 9. This is the only one solution set which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method. And in second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x divided by x plus x plus x is equals to 3 times of x. This is our given question statement, and here in the second method we just find the roots in a very quick way. So in this method, I hope so you like both of these two methods. So here we have, this is x divided by, when you add these it will becomes 3x equals to 3x. So this x is cancelled out by this x, and we get here 1 over 3 is equals to 3x. And further in the next step, here you see that 3 is multiplied by right hand side. When we move it into the left hand side, it is divided by here, and it will becomes 3 times 3 becomes 9 is equals to x. So in the second method, we get here only one value of x, that is 1 over 9. So in the first method, we already verified that this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So we call that the solution set of this question is 1 over 9. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.